through the forest. So we're gonna do arguments, basic syntax, and strings. Let's go.
Win.
Oh, looks like we need some boots. What's wrong with the shoes I have on? I guess I don't have on shoes. Speed. 2 meters per second. Is that what this is? Upgrade your hero movement to XY. Move XY, which takes 2 coordinate arguments. So I guess we get to move faster to whatever we have to build. That works for me. Okay, so the goal is your hero must survive, get to the end of the path. Bonus, grab 2 gems. Okay. Move each gem in turn, then stop the ogre from getting you by building a fence. Sheesh. Alright. What is all of that? Okay, so it looks like we pretty much need to move to the coordinates. So we have to get this gem, which looks like this is at 3660. Or maybe 3659 is fine. Yeah. And then we need to move to 3713. Move to 3713. Why is that space so big? Okay. And then we need to build a fence at the 7225 coordinates. So we're building fence, what did I say? 7225. 7225. Alright, let's go. I hope we run fast. We're running. We're still running.
What a ting.
What a ting. Is that, like, are they speaking in, like, what's that little game? I don't know. We did it.